If you want to register on STC Pay, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play and then download the STC Pay, right? And after you downloaded the app, what you're gonna do, open up the app. So you're gonna be able to see the interface just like this, right? Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna hit skip at the top, right? And now they're gonna redirect you to add your phone number, national ID, or a comma in Arabic, and then date of birth. And then you're gonna confirm your phone number and add your own passcode, your own special passcode inside the app. And basically, you're gonna be able to see your account after you verified your ID and verified your phone number, and you're gonna be able to see your current balance. You can see the account and then cards from here and start creating your own credit card or debit card on STC Pay. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.